Repair Lip Balm with Sunscreen, Lip Balm SPF 30, 0.35 ounces tube. Product details. Find long-lasting moisture and protect your lips from the sun with Aquaphor Lip Repair Lip Balm with Sunscreen, from the #1 dermatologist recommended lip care brand. Aquaphor Lip Repair SPF 30 Lip Ointment immediately relieves dryness and soothes very chapped, cracked lips, so lips look and feel healthier. Aquaphor Lip Repair with SPF is specifically formulated for sensitive lips and very dry lips, and this moisturizing lip balm sunscreen formula contains nourishing vitamins and shea butter for soft lips. This lip balm provides effective, long-lasting relief, leaving lips soft and smooth. Aquaphor sunscreen lip balm tubes are easy to slip into a pocket or bag, so you can always have Broad Spectrum SPF 30 protection nearby, to keep lips looking and feeling their best. Aquaphor Lip Repair with SPF 30 glides on easily and is great for use in dry, cold or windy conditions. Apply Aquaphor Lip Balm with SPF 30 liberally to dry lips as often as needed. Each of the ingredients in Aquaphor skincare products are tested and approved for their quality and safety. 1 0.35 ounces tube of Aquaphor Lip Repair Lip Balm with Sunscreen. Aquaphor is the #1 dermatologist recommended lip care brand. Aquaphor Lip Repair Balm is clinically proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped, cracked lips. This Aquaphor Lip Balm with Sunscreen is formulated with nourishing vitamins and shea butter, and includes Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Aquaphor Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Lip Balm Tube helps to protect lips from the sun, and is great for use in dry, cold or windy conditions. Aquaphor Lip Balm for chapped lips is fragrance-free and paraben-free, and helps prevent dryness for long-lasting moisture. Aquaphor Lip Repair Lip Balm with Sunscreen slips conveniently into your pocket or bag. Directions. Dosage. For sunscreen use. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Sun protection measures. Regularly use a sunscreen with a broad spectrum SPF value of 15 or higher and other sun protection measures including limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wear long-sleeved shirts, pants, hats, and sunglasses. Children under 6 months of age, ask a doctor.